Hey everyone, I'm here at the chicken coop remodel, and I'm getting ready to put LP SmartSide. I'm going to ramble for a little bit here, let you guys know what's going on. I call this my chicken coop remodel, mainly because I was told that it used to be an old chicken coop. You can see a sidewalk from my property all the way up to the neighbor's house, which is an old farmhouse, and also one of the neighbors that it has a lot next door, and he's over there quite a bit. He said when he was much younger, his parents owned quite a bit of the land here, and he said that building was actually a chicken coop. And if you look at some of the other videos that I put up of tearing the siding off, you can kind of see where the windows were and where the doors were. So it looks like you could walk down the center and, have chickens on each side. So that's why I'm calling it the chicken coop remodel. I think in the 60s, it was remodeled to a duplex. And then, the two rooms upstairs were added on, and they closed off all the south side windows, and then they moved the doors. So that's why I'm calling it the chicken coop remodel. And I think Valley, like I said, in the 60s, I think it was remodeled into a duplex, and now I'm going through and remodeling it again, put a new roof on it, put new windows in it. Now I'm putting the siding on. On the inside, I'm putting new drywall. It used to have wall paneling, so I'm giving this a huge facelift and making it much better than what it was. So right now I've been putting on this siding. I went with the LP SmartSide. I think it looks a lot better than vinyl, so I really try to go and make it look a lot nicer. This stuff is really easy to work with because it's engineered wood, so you can use almost anything to cut it, and it cuts really easy. Since it's wood, you do have to paint all the edges, keep that water from penetrating in there. So anytime you do a cut, you want to go ahead and paint those. If you're getting an LP SmartSide, make sure you get the little painting kit that you can use a little dauber. Makes things a little easier, faster. When I butt up two pieces, I've been using the house wrap for backing. You guys can see in the video, I'm stapling it in there and putting it behind everything. That's to keep water from dripping down in behind the thing instead of using any caulking or any of that stuff. There's several other things that you can use, but I went with the house wrap. For most of the cuts, I used a miter saw. It's nice and easy, quick. Make quick cuts with it. Anywhere else I've been needing cuts, like around windows or doors or any other weird angles, I actually been using my jig saw. It gets me in there easy and makes good little cuts. You just got to do a lot of measuring and marking. The trim's pretty straightforward. You just measure and cut it as well and paint it and nail it up. I used a piece of the LP SmartSide to actually do my starter piece. At home, I went ahead and used my table saw and ran them through the whole length and cut them about an inch. Ran that strip across there to get my starter piece in. If you guys haven't heard about these Gecko Gauges, these things are awesome. Probably one of the best things that have been made for siding projects. These things you just clip on there, push the little lever up, and it holds in place, and then you can take your siding and you just put it on top and it holds it there. It also gives it the right depth for the overlap. You can also change that depth. This thing speeds up the time greatly, makes it, if you're doing projects alone, you can actually do this alone. So these things are awesome. And if you have more than one person working, it just still speeds up that time because now you just put it in there and now you don't have to have before these, I used to have a little block that I had to put in there, and usually took two hands and I put it in there and try to hold it and then nail it. So this stuff, you don't have to do that. You can actually just put it in there, and it holds it and it's hand free. So these things really, I recommend if you're doing any siding projects of any siding like this, I would recommend getting these. I'll leave the product in the description. There's also, I'm going to have some other links to other stuff that I think would be helpful for siding. Just check that stuff out. Anyways, like I said in a couple of the other videos, this isn't going to be extreme how-to videos. I just wanted to mention what I was doing, so if you guys had any questions, I can answer them. And you can also see what I'm doing, but it wasn't going to be like I'm going to walk you through every step, but you can definitely see what I'm doing and learn from that, because I know I'm going to get questions. But I just wanted to put this video up because I think it's kind of neat to go ahead and put these videos up, and then I can when I'm older, I can come back and remember this, and also it gives you guys stuff to watch. So I'm going to go ahead and let this video play and fast forward and put some music up for you guys to listen to. See you guys later.
I grew up in a place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race. Every move was on the page, but I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave, had to find a way to change, had to leave to find my way. Caught up in a daydream, I beat my mind up there almost daily. It's how I pass time, no opinions safely. It's how I understand what I want in this place, see. Cause everybody wanna tell you bad things, what could go wrong, what fame brings. But success is a finicky thing, and if you ain't sure, no, it'll never be. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't have to plan it, I can go change my fate. You won't understand it, all alone, that's okay. People, I can't stand them, they don't want me to change. Keep me where I'm standing, and I don't wanna be where I am. And I want something more, take a chance. It could be possibly my last dance, my last dance. I don't wanna let myself down, myself. I've been dreaming on in my head like I've seen it. A life worth living is a life with meaning. I'll do what I love till my heart stops beating. I'm feeding this demon. Got a taste, can't erase bitterness in my face. Work a job every day till your dreams fade away. Like a card, never change, play the game that we say. I need a break. I'm staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on. I'm staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on. Face on when I chase like that, yeah, I play so strong with a knife in the back. I'ma swing home run like a baseball bat. Gonna see me rise, you can hate on that. I don't play both sides, doing me no cap. I'ma ride or die for my dreams on tap. I'ma fly real high, you ain't see me slack. No, it's not how you fall, it's how you get right back up. That's how you get tough, calluses on my hands so rough. Yeah, I call your bluff, I'm not the one. Mess with me, come out with none. Cause I'm so done, you had your fun. And now you're gonna face down the barrel of the gun. Cause I got a full clip, put your name on it. But I'ma let you slide cause you ain't worth it. I'm staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on. I'm staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on. and I, yeah. Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. What keeps you up at night, yeah. Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. Yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. You got me like, oh yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. Hey, it's too late to try to go contain it. A generation fueled by creation. We live lives on a small screen nation. We control the airwaves, no negotiation. I refuse to think we need saving. Something good will come from creation. And when we think that the world is too anxious, we'll adapt, evolve, survive, and save it. What keeps you up at night, yeah. Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. What keeps you up at night, yeah. Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. Yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. You got me like, oh yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. Hey, oh yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. You got me like, oh yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. You gotta focus on yourself, on your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah. You gotta work, never tell, keep your head down, find what you love and excel, yeah. Push and pull and repel any hate, go create what you want, feel compelled, yeah. And once you finally get a taste of the race, you'll never look back once you felt that. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. About others way before myself, yeah. I guess that's why I feel like I go through hell, damn. Wasting time on your dreams instead of mine, yeah. About to turn this franchise around on a dime, man. It's all about finding your right state of mind. It's all about turning the worst into fine. It's all about time and the work and the climb. From the thirst we will rise, I'm immersed in this life. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. Looking for change, looking for pain, pulling a mob, pushing a train. I'll never stop, stick to a lane, pick up the pieces and go rearrange. I'll be the best above all the rest, put me to the test and expect nothing less. You check as I'm chess, what's happening next? Yeah. He got the venom, a tangible weapon, no coming in second. This life is a lesson. He got a new engine from pain, that's a blessing. New focus, no guessing, just bold and obsession, all in his possession. You got their attention, I'll leave an impression and take a redemption. Just kill no discretion, your mind is a weapon. 11-11, it's time for progression. Could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. People like sheep move feet, hurt it easy. You don't wanna be fast asleep.